Mr. Reeves.
Hi, Mr. Reeves. This is Dale. I gave you a call earlier and then missed your call about the property on Buckhurst.
Okay. Listen. I'm sorry. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you had talked to, you're probably talking to a lot of people, but you had talked to a partner of mine, Sam. He said you were looking to sell that, so I'm just calling to see if that's still the case.
Yeah, I'm going to talk to my granddaughter, but I don't know how my name is got out there. I don't know what is out there on.
Okay.
This is about the 12th phone call I've had since yesterday morning.
Oh, wow. I'm sorry.
Okay, you didn't know. But listen, is this some kind of listing that y'all that put y'all out there so I can find out who it is, so I can let them know that just take my name off the list?
I mean, unfortunately, there's not one master person that can call to take it off the list. I mean, it's really, we just search properties that have where the owner's address and the property address don't match, or it's not lived in for some reason, like it's vacant. It tags that, and that's how the info gets out there. So that's probably what happened. Are you living at the property, or what are you doing with the property? Okay. But you don't live there.
No, very interesting, because yesterday he called me inquiring about what I was going to sell it to her for.
Oh, okay.
And then since that phone call, I've been having another phone calls. I don't know if there's something getting ready to happen.
Maybe someone called and was like, yeah, we might be interested in selling it. And then that maybe is what triggered it. So you're not trying to sell it to anybody. Worst case, you would just sell it to your granddaughter. Yeah. Other than that, you would just keep it.
Oh, no. She wasn't living in the house.
Oh, okay. All right.
I need to do something else.
Yeah.
And I just need to get out from that.
I gotcha. So when are you going to be, when are you think you'll make decisions on if she's going to buy it or not? Like what does that time frame look like for you?
First of all, I want her to buy it because they're going to be better off.
Yeah.
From a financial standpoint, if they want it now, they can get financing. The other piece is that can't go no place.
Yeah.
You got 3 little kids.
Do you own the house free and clear?
Yes.
Okay. And do you need money? Like, do you need money to do something else? Do you need money out of the house? Like all the money that maybe the value is, do you need all that right away? Or do you only need a little bit?
No. So tell me what the factor is.
So one way that we buy properties, and what a way you could maybe get her in the house, is called seller finance. So basically you would come up with a price, and you would map that out and you can even find it online. There's a, seller finance or mortgage amortization schedule. You could do that online. So then she makes payments to you. She doesn't have to go to a bank and get pre-approved and do all that and have more money come out of your and her pocket. So basically you become the bank, and you tell her, hey, listen, give me $5,000 now, and then you're going to make me a payment of $1,000, whatever it is, for 20 years. And then you become the bank instead of her having to get qualified for a bank, it might.
Yeah. No, okay. Thanks for just sharing that. But I think you want to go down that road because I know they don't have $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $50,000.
Okay.
But yeah, so I know that's possible. I thought maybe that you wanted to be a blessing and you want to finance it.
Well, I could give you cash and finance it, but I'd have to take ownership of it. I mean, we do that as well. But we don't do like lending like that, you know? Yeah.
Listen, I appreciate you calling and appreciate the info, but no, I'm not gonna do nothing with this other thing that and allow them to within the house.
I gotcha. Makes sense. Well, if she doesn't, you know, if that doesn't go through with her purchasing the house, then if you save my number, call me back and maybe we can work something out between me and you.
Yeah. I'm driving, so you can just call me back in a couple of days. Right.
I'll text you my name and you'll have my number. That way you can program it in. And then, you know, I don't want to bother you if you're not ready, but then you can call me back when you are and we'll have a conversation then.
Thank you so much.
All right, sir. Thank you. Have a good rest of the day. You too. Bye.